Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to color mandala art for beginners. To begin, gather your essential coloring tools such as colored pencils, fine-tip markers, or even gel pens. Next, select a simple mandala design that features clear, distinct lines, which is perfect for your very first attempt. Finally, ensure you have a comfortable and well-lit space where you can relax and fully immerse yourself in the calming process of creating your beautiful mandala artwork. Now, let's talk about color. For a harmonious look, select a limited color palette, perhaps 3 to 5 colors to begin. You might consider using complementary colors, which are opposite on the color wheel, or analogous colors, which are next to each other, for a pleasing effect. A great strategy is to start coloring from the very center of your mandala and work your way outwards, or systematically complete one section before moving to the next. To achieve beautiful results, try these easy techniques. Apply light pressure with your chosen tool for a soft, translucent wash of color, then increase pressure for more intense hues. Use small, consistent circular motions to ensure smooth, even coverage across each section, avoiding any noticeable streaks. A helpful tip is to first outline the edges of a section with a slightly darker shade, then fill in the larger area with a lighter, complementary color. As you near completion, take a moment to review your mandala for any areas that might need a little touch-up or some extra blending. To add a professional touch, consider incorporating subtle highlights or shadows. This can create wonderful depth and visual interest in your artwork. Finally, step back and truly appreciate your finished creation and the peaceful, meditative process you just experienced. You've done a fantastic job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.